Welcome back. In this video, we would help you understand how to make the best use of the course guide. If you hover over to the resources section or the description, you should find this PDF linked. The course guide contains the details of all these sections which are present in this course. Each of these sections has the step-by-step details. What exactly do we do in that section? It contains the description of each of the exercises that are assigned to you in those sections. So if you are looking at an exercise on the screen and you would want the text of it, you can come to this PDF guide and copy it. You can also find all the code snippets and the programs that we write in the course in this PDF. So if you are actually trying to write a line of code and you see that you get a compilation error, then you can try and come to the guide, find that specific line and see how it is done in here. You can copy the line from here. You can also use the course guide when you would want to revise the concepts. So you can go into the collections, look at all the things that we have learned, all the code that we have executed, and try to recollect all the things that we have done around it. There you go. Whenever you face a problem, just try and find the corresponding piece of code in the course guide and compare against what you are doing differently. I hope you are having a lot of fun, and I'll see you in the next step. Until then, bye-bye.